Hi everyone. I just want to show you a quick video of a product that we've been working on a couple of months back for a client, and now we're actually ready to bring it publicly. And wanted to see if any of you guys are interested to implement it into your practice. So basically, this is an AI nurturer. And the way that it's work is pretty decent because the way that we do it is it reads all the conversation that you had with the client previously. So every conversation that happens in here. It also look at all the custom fields that you have provided and filled out and everything for that uh, clients as well. Plus, it will read all the notes as well. So it has all the information of like what has been going on with this a specific client, and then it capture all of those and start sending out AI nurture response. So if you look at this example, you can see that, for example, it says, "Have you had a chance to discuss with your husband?" And if you look at the right-hand side, one of the things that the note was there was like she will ask her husband and call us back. So as you can see, it's basically going through every single thing that has happened and makes a relevant AI response. And you can basically put this as a nurture sequence and it will handle all of your nurture. So I just wanted to know if anyone is interested. And the way that it works is pretty simple. Once you sign up, we give you a webhook and you put that webhook on, and it's a simple snapshot, be it one workflow, which only have one action, and it will handle all of these for you in the backend. You can use your own this only works with OpenAI at the moment, so you can use your own OpenAI what you call the credentials as well. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with everyone, see if anyone is interested. Thanks. Bye.